Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to connect your Sony headphones to an HP laptop. First, let's get your laptop ready. You'll want to access your laptop settings menu. Once there, simply locate and turn on the Bluetooth feature. It's important to ensure your laptop's Bluetooth is discoverable, which allows it to be seen by your headphones. This initial step is crucial for a smooth connection process. Now, let's prepare your Sony headphones for connection. You'll need to put them into pairing mode. To do this, press and hold the power button on your headphones. Keep holding it down until you see the indicator light begin to flash rapidly. This quick, consistent flashing is the key signal that your headphones are actively searching for a device to pair with, making them discoverable to your HP laptop. With your headphones in pairing mode, it's time to find them on your laptop. Go back to your laptop's Bluetooth settings. Look for an option that says something like Add a new device or Scan for devices. Click on this, and your laptop will begin to actively search for all available Bluetooth devices in its vicinity. This scan should quickly reveal your Sony headphones, ready for the next step. Finally, let's complete the connection. Once your laptop has finished scanning, you should see your Sony headphones appear in the list of available devices. Simply select your headphones from this list. A confirmation prompt might appear on your laptop screen. Accept it to finalize the pairing. Congratulations! Your Sony headphones are now successfully connected to your HP laptop and ready for you to enjoy your audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.